Want to move your Spectrum router to another room? The two main options are using coaxial cable or Ethernet cable. Spectrum's service relies on a cable infrastructure. Most Spectrum routers use a coax connection. If the new room has a coax outlet, simply plug the router in. If not, you can use Moche adapters to extend the coax signal, using one adapter by the original router and another in the new room. Ethernet offers more reliability. You can connect the router directly to a device via Ethernet for a wired connection. For whole home Wi-Fi, use an Ethernet backhaul with mesh extenders, like Spectrum's Wi-Fi 6 pods. Trends show a shift towards hybrid Ethernet coax setups. For simplicity, use coax if available, but for a more stable connection, Ethernet is recommended. As of 2025, modern Spectrum routers often have Wi-Fi 6E capabilities. Begin by unplugging your router and disconnecting all cables to safely prepare for the move. Next, choose your connection method. Coax offers simplicity by using existing cable lines, while Ethernet provides more reliable speeds through dedicated cables. Move to your new room and reconnect the router using your chosen method. Plug in the power and turn it on. Use the Spectrum app to sync your router in the new location. This ensures proper connection and updates settings automatically. Finally, test your internet speeds using the app or a speed test tool. Adjust the router antennas for optimal coverage. When using coax, opt for high-quality splitters rated for your internet plan to prevent speed reductions from signal loss. For Ethernet connections, you may need to run a dedicated cable or use power line adapters that transmit data through your electrical wiring. Nearly half of Spectrum users are adopting mesh Wi-Fi systems, which allow flexible router placement throughout the home for better coverage. AI-optimized routing in Spectrum's app analyzes your home layout to suggest the best router positions for improved performance. Spectrum is piloting mobile modem technology that allows router relocation without physical cables, maintaining speeds through app control. By 2030, Wi-Fi 7 and 5G backhaul will enable easier router moves, potentially eliminating the need for coax connections in many homes. Remember to check compatibility with your specific router model and service plan by visiting Spectrum's official website.